Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down to screen time. Now scroll down and tap on use screen time passcode. Now set a passcode and then re-enter your passcode. You can also add Apple ID to reset it anytime. I'll just skip this process. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable it. Now enter your passcode again. Now tap on Allowed Apps. Now let's disable Safari. And here you will see that Safari is now hidden. Now let me show you how you can hide third-party applications on your iPhone. Tap on Content Restrictions. Now tap on Apps. You can hide based on age groups. Or if you want to hide all the apps, then tap on Don't Allow Apps. I'll just go for Don't Allow Apps. Now let's go to the home screen. And here you will see all my third-party applications are now hidden. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.